guys, welcome to today's Cultural Marketer segment, and today we are going to be talking about the WeChat tax-free pass. So if you are a foreigner who's frequently in China, whether it's for work or leisure, and you're shopping there, and you hit a certain threshold, for example, for China it is 500 RMB at one of the stores that participate in the tax-free program, then you can ask them for a tax-free form. Of course, you expect that, oh, well, I'm shopping overseas, of course I could do a tax-free and a tax refund. Well, the good news is, now you are actually able to do it with the tax-free pass that's on WeChat. What that means is you could go into your WeChat app, go into the search function, and then you can search for something called a We Tax-Free Pass. This is a mini program that WeChat has released that makes it much easier for people who have WeChat Pay and are verified identity users, meaning that let's say you have verified your identity for your WeChat Pay account, then you are able to use this mini program to get your tax refund, which could be anywhere between 8 to 11%. So if you hit the certain threshold, you get your tax-free forms from the different brand stores that you shop at, and then you can go and get them to return your tax-free form to the customs approved agency points, and then these agency points will then give you your tax refund. Now, if you don't have WeChat Pay, then of course you could still accept the payment from onto your credit card. But if you do, then it becomes much easier because then they can just scan your personalized QR code to give you your tax-free refund back. Now, these agency points that are authorized, they do charge a fee right now. So what you can expect is at the end of the day, after the fees, you would be getting between, say, 6% to 9% back for your tax refund. So now is the time to check if you have a verified WeChat Pay user account and download this We Tax-Free Pass program so that you can take advantage of the seamless transaction and tax refund process the next time you are shopping in China.